Generic feature is a new generic motion type operation that allows you to mill, drill, and thread mill holes in a single operation using feature attributes. It's recommended when no other operation type can produce the exact toolpath required. This example shows how hole milling, threading, and chamfering can be accomplished in a single operation. Geometry is selected using a hole boss geometry group. The operation is copied from under the feature group to the hole boss geometry group, then regenerated to update the operation to the current feature parameters. Machine code simulation is then used to validate the updated generic feature operation under the hole boss geometry group.